Meet our pets. We have Caesar, the great green macaw. Don't get me in the video.
Sorry.
We have Caesar, the great green macaw.
Great green macaw.
We've had him for 3 months, and he likes me the best. He likes to eat nuts. And then we have Coco, the umbrella cockatoo.
He was sitting on my lap for today, and there's a bug in the tape.
About 15 years, and I don't know much about him. He's from Ontario.
We had Coco more.
The longest.
Yeah, the longest.
And Jojo, the blue macaw. He's from Kingston, Ontario originally. He's about 10 years old, and he loves nutri-berries and fruit. You're not getting him in the video. Stop wiggling.
Sorry.
And he's a good boy, and he doesn't like to sleep at Hey!
Well, Coco's a good boy, too.
I was talking about Jojo. And every night I have to hold him on my arm to go to sleep because he's scared to go to sleep by himself. And then when he falls asleep, I put him in his cage. Hey, I think Jojo wants to be on camera. And Caesar.
Caesar.
Caesar, were you not getting enough attention?
Can they show them something? I want to show them something.
Such as what?
I want to show them to New York City.
No, Beta, no.
So I have a New York City because I went to New York City.
Do it so you have better lighting so you could see in there. Hi!
Hi, Caesar.
What are you screaming about?
So Caesar is rainbow.
We call him a rainbow boy, but
A rainbow boy.
he's a mix of great green macaw and a scarlet macaw. They're very rare.
Yes.
Are you not getting enough attention for a video? Okay, that's enough, Beta. Okay?
Wait, I want to show them a close-up.
When you finish by going back to the glass bird again from eBay, and then press stop.